Realme V3 launch tipped for September 1st, could be company's cheapest 5G phone. Realme V3 may launch alongside the Realme X7 and Realme X7 Pro smartphones in China tomorrow, September 1st, according to an online report. It says that Realme V3 could be the Chinese company's most affordable 5G smartphone. It is expected to be priced at 1,000 Chinese yuans, roughly 10,700 rupees. It is also reported that just like the Realme X7 series of phones, the Realme V3 could also be powered by MediaTek SoC. Citing a Chinese tipster, Gizmo China reported that Realme may also launch the Realme V3 smartphone along with the Realme X7 series of smartphones in China on September 1st. According to the report, China's TENA has allegedly approved 3 smartphones with model numbers RMX2176, RMX2121, and RMX2200/RMX2201. The first 2 model numbers reportedly belong to the Realme X7 and the Realme X7 Pro handsets, respectively. The third model number, RMX2200/RMX2201, that comes with comparatively weaker specifications as compared to the other 2 phones, is said to be of the Realme V3. The report claims that the Realme V3 could also be powered by a MediaTek SoC, just like the Realme X7 and Realme X7 Pro smartphones. Realme V3 specifications, expected. The upcoming Realme V3 may feature a 6.52-inch HD plus IPS LCD display. It could be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 725G SoC, coupled with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The phone is likely to run on Android 10, and have 4,890 mAh battery with support for 18 watts fast charging technology. It may feature a triple rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel sensor along with 2 2-megapixel sensors. At the front, there could be an 8-megapixel snapper for selfies. The phone is expected to have a fingerprint sensor on the back. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.